For so long, I read the Qur'an. I memorized verses. I studied words, but I didn't see what Allah was showing me. Now I see it. Allah begins His book not with law, not with fear, but with mercy. He says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Twice He reminds us, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. It is as if He is saying to us, before you hear what I ask of you, know who I am. And before you follow my commands, understand my compassion. And now I see He didn't start His revelation with control or punishment. He started with love. Mercy is the doorway into everything else. Maybe I didn't see it before because my heart wasn't ready. But when Allah decides to open your eyes, you finally see what was always there. Mercy in every verse.